Dothan on a piece of private property that my brother is right here. He's ready to go. His neighbor owns this place. Invited us down to come hunt with him for a few days. Place is jammed up with birds. Ain't heard nothing yet this morning. Bad thunderstorm come through last night. Tornado warnings and all kind of junk. Really strong wind, so they have the birds shut up this morning. It's right before 6:30, so was that a bird gobble? Did you hear a bird gobble? Back toward the cabin. Anyway, maybe that was a bird gobble. But we're gonna find one way or another. Turkeys in this field. We ain't heard a peep this morning, so on the rain, we figured they were coming to the grain field pretty early. So we're just gonna do some cold calling. See if we can't get old boy interested. That's a vibe. Barry says turkey. Barry said turkey. Longbeard. Turned around, looked at him. He was looking right at me. I was thinking, uh-oh. I'm pretty sure he saw us do something. What you think? Nice. I think that's one Jeremy shot. What you think?
Oh, that's hilarious.
I guarantee it is. I didn't shoot him right there. Guys, y'all can see this right here with his wings busted. Guy that we're hunting with, Barry's neighbor Jeremy, he shot at a bird about an hour ago.
They said he missed, sent us a text, and it probably wasn't. What do you think? 30 minutes? Yeah, about 30 minutes the bird showed up, walking through the woods, acting kind of skittish. He was acting weird. And I told Brad, I said, I wonder if that's that bird he shot at. Another one with it. There was two of them. And I called and called, and we sat there and waited, and we just knew he'd left. And the second, I mean, I had just said, I'm pretty sure that bird left. Brady said, turkey. I said, what? He said, longbeard.
It didn't take you long to make a decision on it either.
When he acted like he saw something, I was like,
Yeah,
I'm killing this
he
bird.
poked his
I was like,
head
yeah. I was like, you done messed up,
I
bird.
just barely got the camera up there on him when you shot.
He got some pretty good spurs on him too. It's good spurs, about 1 inch long, sharp.
Yeah.
That was good. About a 9, maybe an 8, 9 inch beard.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Pretty bird.
Man, dog. Number 2, first morning of our trip. That means I get to run the camera, you get to shoot.
Yeah. We might have more than sausage for lunch.
That's right. Man, that was awesome. That's the first thing. That's the first thing we ever killed together.
I think so. Yeah.
Put a face mask down. Y'all tell her brother. This is my brother Barry. We gather up our bird and gather up all our stuff.
Today's April the 1st, and today we're going to try to get bury a turkey. We tried yesterday evening, and we had, what, 4 jakes? How many jakes? 4. Yeah, 4 jakes come in. No longbeards. On the way back to the cabin yesterday at lunch, there's a road right here. You can see this road right here in front of me. And there was a big set of gobbler tracks coming down this road. It rained night before last, so we knew those tracks had been put there. We had about a 4-hour window. That bird had been through here, so yesterday we hunted from about 5:30 till 7. We were here all day long and never did hear a bird gobble. So this morning, instead of doing some running around, there may be a bird gobbling somewhere, but we've got a guarantee that there was a bird here yesterday in a 4-hour window. So maybe he'll do the same thing. I'd rather sit here and take a chance of a guarantee than go running around trying to find a bird and get back here and bump one once he makes it this road. So we're gonna try this first and see what happens. Just let him go. He'll come right behind her. Don't move, Barry. Let him get in an open hole, and then you raise up your gun fairly quick and shoot him in the head. Not too fast. Just ease it up when you get a chance. Kill him. Get him. Go get him. Good shot, buddy. Awesome. What you think now? Good job, buddy. Good job, man. What a quick reaction. Dude, you did perfect. I mean, that was perfect. That's just what I wanted you to do. That's a big bird too, buddy. Yeah, that was awesome, man.
He was picking up speed.
Well, I told you when he putted, I said you started lifting your gun. When he putted, I said kill him. Did you hear me? I said kill him.
And then he started like running.
Yep. Yeah, yep. God, he's got some big, thick, like knobby looking spurs. That's weird looking. Big old beard on him. That's over 10 inches, I believe. Good bird. Golly. You hit him right in the head, too.
Yeah.
That was a good shot. You didn't knock hardly any feathers out of him.
Man.
Your heart pounder?
Yes. Oh, dude. I was just about to tell you that the way the sun was hitting the grass on this side, I couldn't see the road at all because like the sun was hitting the grass in front of the road and it was just a shadow behind it. And I was about to say, man, I'm not gonna be able to see anything. And all of a sudden she started cackling like,
man, I wonder if she would have done that if I hadn't hit that box call.
I don't know.
Did you notice? Like, she sounded just like that box.
Yeah.
Exactly like it. And I couldn't get my dang camera. When she started, I hit that box a few times and she answered it and started walking straight to me. I couldn't move. Like, I wanted to get the camera on her so bad. She wasn't 5 feet from your foot. She walked straight to you and was looking at us.
She was gonna come. I thought she was gonna walk into the thicket with
Yeah,
us.
I mean, she was looking at us cutting. Y'all can see right here where this road is. She come walking right down the road, and we were sitting right behind that cedar tree. She walked to right there. I'm talking about.
She was inside the wood line.
I know. She came in the woods with us and was cutting. I mean, just looking at us, just pop, 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 pop. I mean, just going crazy.
And then when I heard him gobble, like he gobbled close, and I was like, I know he's right there, but I can't
Well,
see him.
well, you know, he gobbled the first time, and I said, here he is. There he is. I said, that's where we won't go.
Yeah.
But when I heard her, and when she come up, I thought she had kind of spooked. And she's headed back that way, and I was like, oh no, she's gonna go back to the gobbler. I thought she was coming to run a hen off.
Yeah.
Well, then she turned and just started down this road, and I was like, you gotta be kidding
and
me. And he gobbled, and I was
gobbled.
like, the only way we're gonna mess up is if you miss. I was like, God, man, that was awesome. That was one of the coolest turkey hunts I've ever been on.
Yeah.
I mean, and that's too, that bird, that's a whole different gobbler. Y'all probably, what was it, 30 minutes after daylight? Or, well, it was probably 30 minutes after fly down. It was probably 7 o'clock, maybe 7:30 when that first bird come in.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had set up back behind the cedar tree on one of those pines, and a bird come down this road, and Barry was looking back down this road, back down this way, and I was looking back down that, well, I was looking back down, I turned to look back down that way, and there was a gobbler standing in the road with his head stuck up. And right when I turned my head, he busted me. He kind of spun a little bit, and his beard wasn't but about 4 or 5 inches long. And we've got pictures of several jakes out here that's got long beards on them. And I started to tell Barry to spin around and shoot. He's probably 30 yards, but I just wasn't sure if it was a mature bird. So he turned and left. And I told him we had 4 gobblers this morning at daylight, just hammering. And they were all around us. And I was like, man, we found the tracks in the road yesterday, and so we just kind of set up right in the middle of all those birds. And sure enough, this is the second bird. And what time is it? You know?
I don't even know.
I don't even know what time it is. It's probably close to 8 o'clock, I guess, 8:30.
Probably 8:45.
But I mean, that hen right there, she came, I mean, right into that box call. I hope I got my camera turned on, and hopefully I got some of her. You know, but I missed the good part, the crazy stuff. But that's a good bird, man. That's a big old bodied turkey too.
Yeah. Trying to figure out where all I hit him. I see at least one pellet hit him right.
Well,
in the
there's
back of the
blood.
head.
I mean, you can see blood right there on his neck, but a lot of those pellets, that skin will kind of close in on them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like my bird you couldn't find a hole in his head.
That's crazy. That was almost like shooting a dove. I was like,
Yeah, I know. Well, I knew, as good as you are at shooting skeet, I knew I was like, if you can pick a hole, because y'all, his gun was in his lap, and that hen came out of nowhere, and I was just like, don't move. And this guy right here, I mean, how many skeet did you shoot last time out of 100?
82, I think.
82 out of 100.
Yeah.
So he goes to skeet range, and I'm like, man, we got this bird at 25 yards, and that's a lot bigger to skeet. So I was like, if you can get on him, and he'll just
my gun was just on my knees. I was Indian style.
Exactly. Yeah. I mean, it was just sitting on your knees, and I was like, he's just going to have to, when that bird gets in a hole, he's just going to have to shoot him. And sure enough, he kind of got, when you started kind of raising your gun, he kind of got boogered a little bit, and when he putted, I just said, kill him. And Barry just threw his gun up, and that bird took off running full speed, and he just leveled him. Man, that was awesome. I'm so glad you hit him.
And then I was hoping, if I was trying to just be like smooth and slow, so maybe they wouldn't notice. And
right.
But he saw me.
It'll work to a point, but you just can't get it done sometimes if you don't just, at that last second, just kill them.
Mm-hmm.
Well, good job, man. Yeah, I'm shaking like a dang leaf, man. I'm as fired up as if I had shot. But when he gobbled, like, the hen was cool, and I was like, well, maybe she'll bring a gobbler with her. When he gobbled, and I went into like convulsions. I was like, good grief, I gotta settle down. I ain't gonna be able to film.
Well, he was that first gobble. He was already crested that hill. I think he was already pretty close.
I don't know if I got him on my camera or not. I had my camera on, but the way he came from, I couldn't see my screen.
Mm-hmm.
So I just was playing just so I could listen to her, basically. But It's okay. That right there is more important than the video. Y'all, I like recording this stuff, but I'm never going to compromise a successful hunt for film footage. So, I don't know what we got, but we got something. We got some fried wild turkey.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Well, this is the last day. We only got to hunt a half day today, so I guess now we can go clean the turkey and go back to the house and eat some food.